What if you could build a portfolio that pays you every single month without picking individual stocks? No worrying about earnings reports, no stressing over one company cutting its dividend. Just simple, diversified, monthly income. Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 dividend ETFs in Canada that can help you generate passive income in 2026, whether you're investing inside a TFSA, RRSP, or regular account. Let's get into it. First up is Vanguard's FTSE Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. This ETF focuses on large established Canadian companies that pay strong dividends. We're talking about big banks, energy giants, pipelines, and telecom companies. It currently yields around 3 to 4%, pays monthly, and has a low management fee. Why investors love Vanguard? Because it's simple, it's stable, and it holds many of Canada's most reliable dividend payers. If you want a core dividend ETF you can hold for years, this is a strong contender. Next is from BlackRock's iShares division, S&P TSX Composite High Dividend Index ETF. This one typically offers a higher yield, often around 4 to 5%. It holds about 70 to 75 Canadian dividend-paying stocks across financials, utilities, energy, and telecom. What makes BlackRock's interesting is that it spreads the income across more companies, giving you broader diversification. If your main goal is stronger monthly cash flow, BlackRock might edge out Vanguard. And third, we have BMO Global Asset Management's BMO Canadian Dividend ETF. This ETF focuses on quality dividend stocks with a history of stable and growing payouts. The yield is usually around 3%, slightly lower than BlackRock, but the focus here is dividend growth and sustainability. So instead of just chasing high yield, BMO looks for companies that can increase dividends over time. That makes it attractive for long-term investors to build wealth inside a TFSA. So here's a quick comparison. Vanguard for great core holding, BlackRock for higher income focus, and BMO for quality plus dividend growth. All three pay monthly, focus on Canadian blue-chip companies, and moreover, work well inside registered accounts. So, how much can you earn? Let's say you invest $50,000. At a 4% yield, that's about $2,000 per year, or roughly $166 per month in passive income. Scale that to $100,000, and now you're looking at $300 to $400 per month. And remember, that's without selling a single share. Dividend ETFs are not risk-free. If energy drops, if banks struggle, if markets fall, your ETF value can go down too. But the diversification helps reduce single stock risk, which is why many investors prefer ETFs over picking individual dividend stocks. That's all for today. See you in the next video.